There are more than 177 million lakes on the Earth. The area of the water surface decreases due to silting and overgrowing every year. This trend leads to a reduction in freshwater resources all over the world. As a result of waterlogging process, not only lakes but also soil around the lakes suffers from it. So the lake with an area of 100 hectares turns into a swamp with an area of up to 100–230 hectares. This process leads to a reduction in cultivated areas in places. Flora and fauna are affected, and as a result aquatic fauna disappears, the number of migratory birds' resting places is reduced. Many of these birds are included in the Red Book, such as grey crane, Canadian goose, pelican, and etc. This all causes a huge loss to the ecosystem balance. We are the team of enterprising people who ask themselves, how can we change this world? As a result of researches, we developed an ecological project with self-support. Running it once, project will no longer require investments of funds, but on the contrary, it will provide funds for the other projects. The purpose of our project is to give dying lakes and ponds the second life. Most similar environmental projects are very expensive, so these projects are supported at the state level and world funds. But we have found a way to self-sustain the project. Each silted pond contains bottom sediments consisting of dead plants and animals. It becomes a valuable organic fertilizer after proper processing. And in combination with peat and reeds, it will become a feed additive for livestock. On the production line, the reed is processed into the feed additive, the bottom silt is processed into organic fertilizers with Ecosine. The realization of fertilizers and fodder additives will provide the project conducting reclamation for water purification, deepening and restoration of saline and chemically polluted lakes. Bottom sediments of such polluted lakes cannot be used for commercial purposes. Everyone can change the world by starting with himself. We can, we do. As a result of our project's development, we have acquired a lake with an area of 137 hectares, a technical base, a production area, a developed production line, and a water treatment technology. The speed of cleaning the lake from water sediments depends on the multitasking and the capacity of the dredger. We are going to start with the small dredger that was developed by a group of skilled engineers. The cost of such dredger is $130,000. Friends, we suggest to you change this world for the better. Help the ecological project on the preservation of lakes and ponds. Become a part of the global environmental project to save nature.